Hello friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Amit's Biology. Dear students, in the previous video lecture we discussed about DNA as genetic material experiment which was conducted by Frederick Griffith, and later this experiment was fully proven by Avery, MacLeod and MC Carty. So this experiment was known as bacterial transformation experiment. So now we discuss about another experiment which proved DNA as genetic material, and this experiment is known as bacteriophage transduction. So here we discuss about the bacteriophage transduction. So what is bacteriophage? The bacteriophage is nothing, it's a virus. The bacteriophage is a virus which infect bacteria as host. तो बैक्टीरियोफेज काहाकू इन्फेक्शन करिवो, बैक्टीरियोफेज होच गोटे भाइरस, से काहाकू इन्फेक्शन करिवो, तार होस्ट बैक्टीरिया को ही इन्फेक्शन करिवो. तो बैक्टीरियोफेज, though it's a virus, it has two things. One is genetic material, another is known as protein coat. So genetic material is nothing, though it is bacteriophage, it's a DNA containing virus, its genetic material is DNA. Though next is contain protein coat, it's covering, that is the protein coat. Next, so bacteriophage, in his experiment, this experiment was conducted by Alfred D. Hershey and Martha Chase in the year 1952. This experiment conducted by two scientists, that is the Alfred D. Hershey and Martha Chase in the year 1952. They took T2 bacteriophage for his experiment. So bacteriophage ro co category is T2. So there are different types of bacteriophage, that is T2, T4, T5. So these are the lot of bacteriophages are present. These are the vast group of bacteriophages. But they took T2 as bacteriophage for his experiment. The bacteriophage has two things. One is DNA. Another is known as protein coat. They find that this experiment is based on two things. That is the DNA containing phosphorus and protein coat containing sulfur. So this experiment based on the two things, that is the DNA containing phosphorus and protein containing sulfur. So they culture bacteriophage in two different medium where they took radio level phosphorus, that is P32, and radio level sulfur, that is P35. So radio level means heavy isotope of phosphorus and sulfur. So they separately grow the bacteriophage first in P32 containing medium, though phosphorus contained inside the DNA, so phosphorus present inside the DNA, so phosphorus is radio level phosphorus inserted into the DNA and DNA becomes highlighted, which is represented as red. So previously it is represented as black. After radio level it becomes red. Next, so then they grow the bacteriophage in the culture medium containing S35. So the protein coat becomes radio level. The protein coats become radio level and it is represented in blue. Previously it is black, but now it becomes blue because it is radio level. Now the two radio level DNA virus and the radio level protein coat virus bacteriophages are now allow for infection. Now allow for infection to the bacteria, that is E. coli, that is Escherichia coli. So after what happened, after the infection it is seen that the radio level DNA is found. After their infection it is when the investigation or when the research is done, it was seen that the radio level DNA is found inside the bacteria, but the radio level protein coat is outside the bacteria. So from this experiment it is concluded that DNA is transferred from one organism to the body of another organism, but protein not. So from this experiment it is confirmed that DNA as genetic material. तो DNA को genetic material बोल के कहला. तो ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करथिले कि अल्फ्रेड डी हर्शी एंड मार्था चेस केबे करथिले 1952 रे करथिले. एंड ए एक्सपेरिमेंट रो जाना पड़ला जे DNA होची जेनेटिक मटेरियल जोटा कि गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म रो आ गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म रो बॉडी को ट्रांसमिट होची, गोटे सेल रो आ गोटे सेल को ट्रांसमिट होची, गोटे जनरेशन रो आ गोटे जनरेशन को ट्रांसमिट होची, बट प्रोटीन हैज नॉट. ओके, सो थैंक यू ऑल.